The Household Budget Survey, or HBS, is a household survey and its data is used to measure the cost of living in Ireland. The main reason the survey is conducted is to ensure that the Consumer Price Index, the official measure of inflation, continues to be based on up-to-date and accurate household spending data. Households from across the country are randomly selected to take part and are asked to keep a detailed record of household expenditure over 14 consecutive days. Households are also asked for detailed information on all sources of household income and expenditure, such as mortgages, rent and utility bills. The changes in regulation across household surveys will result in a redefinition of a household. Previously, in defining a household, HBS used an address concept. That is, all persons living at the same address and shared catering arrangements were treated as a single household. From 2022-23, the HBS definition of a household uses a shared income and expenditure concept. Flatmates or housemates that do not share expenditure and income are now considered as separate households. In addition, students living in student-specific accommodation and substantially supported by their parents are considered members of their parents' household. Due to these changes, caution is advised when making comparisons with previous iterations of the HBS. The fieldwork for the survey was conducted over the period 2022-23. Challenges were encountered in getting households to participate in the survey. There were also difficulties in recruiting and retaining survey interviewers. This resulted in a lower achieved sample size than in previous iterations of the survey. Consequently, results cannot be published for some classifications at the usual level. Classifications that have been affected include income, region, tenure, principal economic status of the household reference person, household composition and household size. For the same reason, the number of expenditure items listed in tables has been reduced. It is worth noting that the HBS has moved from a 5-year cycle and is now collected on a continuous basis. More than 6,000 households are randomly selected to take part in this survey each year. This change in collection method means from 2025 we can produce annual high-level results from the HBS and more accurately track changing spending habits.